Hello and welcome to this how-to video where you're going to learn how you can create AliExpress invoices for free with Profitario.com. Let's get started. Okay, so first you need a Profitario.com account. To do that, go to Profitario.com and click login. I already have an account, but for demonstration purposes I'm going to create one now. So call him how-to at Profitario.com, and also gonna type in a secure password. Once that's done, hit create account. So this is the dashboard, but you don't need the dashboard. You go to integrations and extensions. Here you see that the AliExpress extension is currently not installed, so to do that, click download. This will take you right to the Chrome Web Store, and you need the app that's stated right here, and you need to add that to your browser. Perfect, so that's done. Once you go back, you will still see that the extension is currently not installed. When you see this here, the application has not detected your extension. To change that, you just need to refresh the page here. But before I do that, I want to show you something else. If you go to AliExpress, you will see this notification here that your extension is not authenticated with Profitario. You need to do this once, so you click here on authentication. This will take you to the login screen, and I log back in. I'm not quite sure what my email was now, so yeah, that's perfect. Right. So the verification was successful. Perfect. So now you see that the extension is actually installed correctly. Perfect. So now we can go back to AliExpress. Going back to our page here, you can see that I have quite a few orders in this account here. So I want to export all of these orders at once into my Profitario account. This is exactly what Start Export does. Start Export is actually exporting all the orders that you have here. So currently it would go from page 1 to page 475 and export all of these orders. If you wanted to export, for example, just January of 2019, you could go 1st, 31st, confirm and search. And the extension would go from page 1 to 95 and send them to the server. If you have already done an export, so for example, if we have done the export from the 1st of January to the 31st of January, but after the 31st of January we had new orders, you just need to click export new orders, and then the extension would start from the 31st and go to the current day. So now I want to export all of my orders in January, and I hit Start Export. It will now go through all these pages from page 1 to page 95, and I will be back once that export is actually completed. Okay, so the export is about to finish. We are currently on page 95 of 95. And now the extension started uploading our orders to the server. So this is going to take some time. This goes through every single detail page and extracts all the data that you will want. Going back to the dashboard, you see that's the page that we left, but we now want to go to reports in AliExpress. So we currently view the last 7 days, but if you click on year to date, you will actually see that the extension already is sending orders to the server. And if we refresh that page, you will see that number change. And also the order count go up. Perfect. So this is going to import all our orders for January. And you can also select different filters here. You can, don't show the order number, or you don't want to see the price. You just want to see, for example, shipping. We haven't paid any shipping here. Discounts, we didn't get any discounts. Or you just want to see the order count that you had on a particular day, maybe. So quite a few options here. Quite helpful if you're a big dropshipper. You can also filter for different products and different suppliers. But that's not of interest for me right now. What I want to do is I want to create invoices. So if I click here and I click year to date, you can set an invoice number. You can select an invoice date, which is actually the date that will be printed right over here. And you obviously have to add your business information like company name, company address, and stuff like that. Okay, so we have year to date selected. We click refresh. And now we have our print ready invoice here. 15 pages of AliExpress orders. Total number $281 for the import that's currently finished. And you can click download here. You click download here. If I click download, yeah, I can save my invoice to any place on my computer. Perfect. I hope that little how-to video was helpful. And if you have any questions, leave them down at the comment or in the comments, or send us an email to support@profitario.com. Thank you.